The grave reality: obesity statistics. Obesity isn't just a cosmetic concern, it's a global health issue with severe repercussions. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, obesity is a major risk factor for a range of chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and cancer. It's estimated that obesity-related conditions account for nearly 4.7 million deaths annually worldwide. That's roughly 8% of all global deaths. Hi, I'm Eric, and today I'm going to tell you how to use your body better. Enjoy watching, subscribe and like, so as not to lose your knowledge. Weight gain and obesity are complex issues influenced by various factors. Genetics: your genes can play a significant role in your likelihood of gaining weight. If obesity runs in your family, you may be more predisposed to it. Environment: modern lifestyles often involve high-calorie diets and sedentary behaviors. Easy access to fast food and sugary snacks, combined with long hours sitting at a desk, contribute to weight gain. Psychological factors: emotional eating, stress, depression, and lack of sleep can all lead to overeating and weight gain. Metabolism: as you age, your metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. Medical conditions: certain conditions like hypothyroidism and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, can contribute to weight gain. How to lose weight. Losing weight is not about quick fixes, but sustainable lifestyle changes. Here are some strategies that can help. Balanced diet. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive fats. Regular exercise. Incorporate both aerobic exercises like walking, running, or cycling, and strength training like weightlifting or resistance exercises. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help control your appetite and increase your metabolism. Mindful eating. Pay attention to what you eat and savor each bite. Avoid distractions like TV or smartphones while eating. Behavioral changes. Identify triggers for unhealthy eating and find alternative coping mechanisms, such as engaging in a hobby or talking to a friend. What am I doing wrong? If you find that you're not losing weight despite your efforts, consider the following. Overestimating exercise. It's easy to overestimate the number of calories burned during exercise. Make sure your caloric intake matches your activity level. Underestimating food portions. Portion sizes can be deceptive. Use measuring tools or follow portion guidelines to avoid overeating. Hidden calories. Be wary of hidden calories in sauces, dressings, and beverages. Inconsistent routine. Consistency is key. Stick to your healthy habits even on weekends or holidays. Not enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. Stress. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating. Find healthy ways to manage stress, like meditation or exercise. Finding motivation to lose weight. Motivation is a key driver in any successful weight loss journey. Here are some factors that can fuel your motivation. Health benefits. One of the most compelling reasons to lose weight is to improve your overall health. Reducing excess weight can lower your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. It can also alleviate conditions such as high blood pressure and sleep apnea. Increased energy. Carrying excess weight can make you feel tired and sluggish. Losing weight can boost your energy levels, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Enhanced self-esteem. Achieving your weight loss goals can greatly improve your self-confidence and body image. Feeling good about yourself can positively impact other areas of your life, including relationships and career. Better mobility and physical fitness. Shedding pounds can improve your mobility, flexibility, and physical endurance. This makes it easier to participate in physical activities and enjoy an active lifestyle. Mental well-being. Weight loss can have a positive impact on your mental health. Regular exercise and healthy eating can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, leading to a more balanced and happy life. Exploring a variety of diets for weight loss. There are numerous diets designed to help you lose weight. Here are some popular options, each with its unique approach. Mediterranean diet. Emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, especially fish, nuts, and healthy fats like olive oil. It's not just about weight loss, it's also heart-healthy and sustainable. Keto diet. Focuses on high fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate intake. It forces the body into ketosis, a state where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. This diet can lead to rapid weight loss, but it requires careful planning. Intermittent fasting alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Common methods include the 16-8 approach, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, eating normally for 5 days and reducing calorie intake for 2 non-consecutive days. Paleo diet. Inspired by the eating habits of our Paleolithic ancestors, it emphasizes whole foods, lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. It excludes processed foods, grains, legumes, and dairy. Vegan diet excludes all animal products, focusing on plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It's not only effective for weight loss, but also has environmental and ethical benefits. Low-carb diet limits the intake of carbohydrates while emphasizing proteins and fats. Popular variations include the Atkins and South Beach diets. These diets can help reduce appetite and promote weight loss. Whole 30 diet, a 30-day program that eliminates sugar, alcohol, grains, legumes, soy, and dairy. After 30 days, you gradually reintroduce eliminated foods to see how they affect your body. It's a reset for your eating habits. DASH diet, designed to combat high blood pressure. It emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy. It's low in salt, sugar, and saturated fats. Each of these diets has its pros and cons, and what works best for you may depend on your personal preferences, lifestyle, and health goals. Always consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet to ensure it meets your nutritional needs and fits your health profile. Remember, successful weight loss isn't about drastic measures, but adopting sustainable and healthy habits. Small, consistent changes over time can lead to significant results. Stay motivated, find a diet that works for you, and be patient with yourself. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory worth celebrating. Regardless of where you are on your weight loss journey, remember to celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Did you know that every bit of physical activity counts? Even simple activities like walking your dog, gardening, or dancing in your living room can significantly boost your health. Staying active in small ways helps improve your cardiovascular fitness, strengthens muscles, and enhances your mood. Your body and mind will thank you for every healthy choice you make. Thanks for watching. Share your opinion about this and write which video you would like to see, subscribe and like so as not to lose your knowledge.